Hi, it's Andy Poole, Legal Sector Partner at Armstrong Watson, reporting for law firm Ambition on the developments in Q3 2022. I'm going to be talking about two things mainly over the next couple of minutes. Firstly, current confidence levels in the sector, and secondly, an updated practice note from the Law Society. Turning to the first point, confidence levels in the sector. Armstrong Watson have a quarterly pulse survey on confidence levels, and unfortunately they are continuing to show a downward trend. There is a marked quarter by quarter downward trend in confidence levels amongst owners of law firms. And what we're also seeing in the statistics that follow what we work with on law firms is that the instructions levels are also generally dropping across all practice areas for most law firms. And that's only a slight decrease. It's not a marked drop, but there is a noticeable gradual reduction in instructions levels. And that may well form a bit of relief for many law firms, because the main issue over the last 24 months or so has not been actually winning the work, it's been recruiting the team to be able to keep up with demand. So it may well form a little bit of relief in the short term. And whilst not wanting to be a doom monger and therefore creating and talking ourselves into issues, I do wonder at what point that relief starts to turn into a little bit of concern, at what point we tip over that curve into, well, actually now the instructions levels are starting to drop, have we almost got too much resource rather than too little resource? I think that is still a little way off, but I do wonder at what point that comes, given the wider economic factors. Linking in with the wider economic factors and also the forthcoming renewal for most firms of their professional indemnity insurance premiums, what we tend to find at this time of year is that we do find a lot of law firms that are closing, and the Law Society has issued a new practice note, an updated practice note on closing a law firm. So if you are looking and thinking about closing a law firm, it'd be important to have a look at that new practice note and follow the guidance there. Thank you.